The first stage drone, which can create the environment necessary for fire suppression, take off from the ground control vehicle approaching the fire site. Stage 1. The drone arrives at the fire scene and analyzes the fire situation in detail using thermal imaging and high-definition cameras. If there is an obstacle blocking the firing path of the small bomb, the problem is resolved by firing an open firebomb, and then returns by transmitting information to the control center. 5-second stage drones equipped with fire extinguishing modules. To extinguish fires, fly to the fire site. 5-second stage drones arrive at the fire scene and begin precision hovering at a distance of 30 meters. At this time, the mother drone identifies the fire source with a thermal imaging camera. After completing auto-targeting considering distance, altitude, and wind direction, approach the target within 15 meters. Fire grenade shot to fire through the horizontal launch module. After launch, the drone is re-locked into position. Each 5 drones launch 6 bombs consecutively for fire suppression. After the fire is extinguished, the drones will return after final confirmation by the operator. Stage 3 drones are equipped with advanced sensor cameras and infrared and thermal imaging cameras for firefighting completion. When the drone arrives at the site, it uses an infrared camera to search for people and check for any remaining fire. Once the final working is completed, the information is passed to the control center and the work is finalized.